Big changes for Las Vegas home buyers. Any buyer wanting to see a home that is listed in the multiple listing service will now have to sign a buyer broker agreement with a realtor prior to viewing any homes in person or via live virtual tour. This also applies if the agent is just previewing homes for you. It does not apply if you're just going to open houses. Much like a listing agreement, the buyer broker agreement outlines the duties and obligations of the agent and the buyer. It includes details like the duration of the agreement, the area for your home search, the type of property you're interested in, and the buyer's agent's compensation to be paid at closing in the event the seller will not pay it. Buyer's agents' commissions are no longer allowed to be offered through the MLS, although sellers can still offer compensation to buyer's agents. Our new residential purchase agreement has a specific line item where buyers can ask the seller to pay their agent's fee. Have questions? DM me.